In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log email conversations in HubSpot. Whether you're a marketer, salesperson, or customer service professional, logging your email interactions can provide a clearer view of your customer communications, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the HubSpot website. You want to get comfortable navigating their platform if you're going to use it to its fullest potential. Once you're on the homepage, take a look at the upper right corner of the screen where you'll find the Login button. It's time to click on that and begin signing into your account. If you're like many users these days, the simplest sign-in method is often through Google. Clicking on Sign In with Google not only saves you time, but also consolidates your accounts into a single access point. This is especially handy if you work across multiple platforms and regularly switch between tools throughout your day. So click that option and carefully select the Google account tied to your HubSpot activities. Now let's turn our attention to automation, which is a real game changer. Logging emails becomes so much easier with the help of a browser extension. So open a new tab and visit the Chrome Web Store. This is where you can find a variety of extensions designed to enhance your web experience. In the search bar located at the top, simply type HubSpot Sales. This extension will directly integrate with your email, allowing you to seamlessly log communications without missing a beat. After inputting the search term, hit enter, and the HubSpot sales extension should appear. Once you see it, look for the Add to Chrome button and give it a click. This action will install the extension and add it to your browser, turning it into a powerful tool for your HubSpot activities. Installation only takes a moment, and you'll quickly notice the HubSpot icon appear in the top right area of your browser. After installation, it's a good idea to make the extension easily accessible by pinning it to your toolbar. Click on the extension icon, which looks like a little puzzle piece, find the HubSpot sales extension in the drop-down menu, and select the pin icon next to it. Now, you can access the extension effortlessly whenever you need to log an email or perform any related tasks. And there you have it. You're now ready to log your email conversations in HubSpot efficiently. This setup will not only help you keep a comprehensive record of your communications, but also enhance your follow-up process, ultimately leading to stronger relationships and better business outcomes. Thanks for tuning in, and happy logging.